One DNA shot kept mice losing weight and controlling blood sugar for about 70 days, up to 10 times longer than Ozempic-like drugs. Could a single recipe injection replace weekly weight loss shots? Here's our plan. Find out what this DNA shot is, what it did in mice, and what that means and doesn't mean for people. Why even try this? Weekly shots and daily pills are hard to stick with, and weight and blood sugar often bounce back when you stop. The target here is incretins, GLP-1 and GIP, natural hormones that curb appetite and help control blood sugar. Drugs that mimic them work great, but they break down fast, so you need frequent doses. Enter the Wistar team's twist. Don't deliver the drug, deliver instructions so your own cells make it. They use something called electroporation, a quick, gentle zap that helps the DNA slip into cells. Think opening the door for a moment. This platform isn't brand new. In a small human trial, the same method made COVID-blocking antibodies for over 72 weeks. To tackle metabolism, they engineered DNA instructions for long-lasting incretins and called them incretins. They even added a small antibody fragment to the protein design to slow how fast the body clears it. Test run. In diabetic mouse models, one electroporated dose led to detectable incretin levels for up to 70 days. And not just lab levels. The mice kept losing weight and controlling blood sugar during that time. Head-to-head with semaglutide, when weekly dosing stopped, the drug group regained weight, but the DNA group's gains held through the observation period. That's the 10 times longer headline. One dose kept working for weeks beyond what typical incretin mimicking drugs manage in mice. They also designed a new single protein, incretin, to hit both GLP-1 and GIP receptors, like a 2-in-1 T. Built with AI-assisted modeling and a consensus approach, one dose of incretin also drove sustained weight loss in mice. So what's the big idea? This is a delivery method. Send instructions once, and let cells make a steadier supply of medicine. The team is also exploring how incretin therapy might affect inflammation and even cancer biology, questions sparked by clinic observations. Now, the catch. All the metabolic durability data so far are in mice. Human studies will have to show if this holds up. It also needs a device for that tiny electrical pulse, so clinics would have to use a specific procedure, not just a pill. Open questions for trials. How steady are the levels? How safe is weeks-long expression? And how easy is dosing control over time? If it works in people, fewer doses could mean better access and sticking with therapy. But cost and availability are unknown for now. So, can one DNA shot replace weekly weight loss injections? In mice, yes. One electroporated DNA dose kept incretins active up to 70 days with lasting weight and glucose control, even beating semaglutide after stopping. For people, we don't know yet. The promise is real, but it needs human trials to prove safety, control, and benefit. Takeaway. The body's factory idea could cut repeat dosing if it pans out. For now, stick with your current plan and keep an eye on this space. Bottom line, in mice, a single DNA recipe shot kept weight and blood sugar controlled for weeks, outlasting standard incretin drugs. In humans, it's unproven but promising. If trials confirm safety and control, this could mean far fewer injections. Until then, don't change any treatment based on this. Just know a new delivery idea is taking shape.